For bread upma, we will toast bread slices on a tawa, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil so that they become a little crisp. As crisping helps the bread to stay firm when you add them in water. So from one bread piece we will get around 4 squares. So I am making for 4 people, so I have taken 12 bread slices. Let's now see the other ingredients. The other ingredients that we will need are onions. I have taken here 3 onions chopped, 4 small sized tomatoes chopped, and 1 big size capsicum chopped, and few curry leaves and green chilli, and also the bread slices. Now let's proceed to the cooking. Now I have taken a kadhai, and in it I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Now in it I am adding chana dal, 1 tablespoon, and I'll just fry it till it gets a little golden. And then in it we will add about 1 teaspoon of black mustard seed, and we will let it splutter. Next we will add green chilies. The quantity of green chili depends on your choice. After that we will just fry it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then we will add the sliced onions, and now we will keep the flame to low to medium, and we will fry them till they get just a little golden yellow. Now we will add the curry leaves in it, and we will give it a good mix. After about half a minute of adding the curry leaves, we add the sliced green capsicum, and we fry it for 1 minute. Then we will add the chopped tomatoes in it, and then we will give it a good mix. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we will mix it well, and thereafter we will cover it and let all the things cook for 1 to 2 minutes. The good thing about this bread upma recipe is that it uses the leftover bread slices if you have them, and it tastes really yum. We are back after a minute, and I almost forgot to add the green peas to it. So here I am adding a handful of green peas, and while mixing it well. Now we will cover it for just half minute so that the masala incorporates in the peas, and then we will add water. The level of water should be such that it covers the veggies, not too much, otherwise the bread pieces will turn mushy. And so we will add water and we will let it boil. So here you can see the water is boiling. Now we will reduce the flame and we will check for the salt. The salt seemed perfect, so now I added the bread pieces to it. Be careful that to keep the flame too high while you add the bread slices, and you mix them well. Just do it gently. Now we will add tomato ketchup, and that is around 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, followed by 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. The amount depends upon your discretion. There is no such measurement for it. So yeah, add it as you can enjoy it. Now we will mix everything well together so that sauce, chilies, the vegetables get mixed and we can't separate one out of the other. And after that we will just cook it in lowest flame for a minute, and after that we are good to go. And now we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar and we will mix it everything well. After that we will add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Oops, while adding the garam masala my hand moved away. Anyway, we will mix the masala and very well garam masala to it, and we will switch off the flame. Now we will cover it for a minute or two and then it's ready to be served. So here is your delicious bread upma ready to be eaten, and I hope you have liked this recipe, and if you do then please share it with friends and family. Thank you for watching.